Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a picture only with the CapCut application. So now you just need to open your CapCut application, and right after that you just need to take a look on this line. So there will be a photo editor, so you just need to click them. Now you just need to pick the picture that containing the emoji on it and just go click edit. And right after that you just need to take a look on these features, go click shapes. And now you just need to pick the line. You can just use this rectangle or the circles, but I will go with the rectangle. And right after that, go click this style and go click this color picker. And you just need to drag the color picker into the specific part that you want to have. For the color, adjusting the size, drag it. And you're done. So that is the way how to hide or how to remove the emoji from a picture only with the CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.